What if I told you Windows 11 26 is about to completely eliminate the need for web tools? Yeah, no more command lines, no more hidden IDs, no more guessings. Because in this latest insider build, Microsoft is secretly testing built-in feature plug page, and this might be one of the biggest power user upgrade ever. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. So inside Windows 11 26H2 Insider Build 26,300.8155, there are hidden traces of a new feature plug section. And what does it do? It lets you enable or disable experimental features directly from settings. No third-party tools, no hacks, no complicated commands, just toggles, and that's it. Until now, if you wanted to unlock hidden Windows features, you had to use tools like ViveTools, and let's be honest, the process was confusing, risky, and definitely not beginner-friendly. But now, Microsoft is basically saying, hey, here is all the features, turn them on if you want, and that's the massive shift. From what we're seeing so far, this feature plug page could show active features, experimental features, completed or removed features. Meaning, if you finally know what features exist, what's enabled, and what you can try early, this solves one of the biggest problems with insider builds. Two people on the same build but completely different features. Yeah, that's been a thing for years. This isn't random. Microsoft has been heavily relying on something called control feature rollout. Basically, features are added silently, then enabled for only some users. So even if the feature is already in your system, you might never see it. That's why tools like ViveTool became popular in the first place. But now, Microsoft's finally making the system transparent and user control. This feature plug page is not part of the bigger shift. Microsoft wants to make insider program more transparent, more controllable, less confusing, and honestly, this might be the beginning of a completely new Windows testing experience. But that's not the only thing in this update, because this build also adds something you can literally feel them. Yes, Windows is getting haptic feedback support, meaning Windows snapping, resizing, even hovering over buttons. You can actually feel it if a device supports it. That's giving serious MacBook level polish vibes. Microsoft also improved the startup app's launch speed after boot, so a PC should feel snappy right after login. The full-screen gaming experience has now evolved into Xbox mode, with a better first-time setup experience. Fixes that actually matters. Fixed sign-in issues in apps, fixed printing crashes, overall stability improvements, nothing flashy but super important. But let's be real, none of them matters as much as this. Windows 11 might finally be given power back to the users. The feature plug page could completely change how we test features, discover updates, and control Windows itself. And if Microsoft completely rolls this out, ViveTool might actually become obsolete. So what do you think of this? Is this the best Windows feature ever for power user, or just another experiment that might disappear? Drop your thoughts below. And if you want more insane Windows leaks, hidden features, and updates, make sure to subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.